the future's calling. Maths and mind colliding. Daily dose of power. AI's here. Siya. Kubeka, let's learn the new way. Siyahamba phezulu. Daily dose of power. AI's here. Siya. Kubeka, let's learn the new way. Siyahamba phezulu.
Hi guys, it's sketching time. We're continuing with question 7 of the June 2026 Limpopo question paper. Itu, what is our question?
So today we're dealing with a draw and need sketch graph of F indicating the coordinates of the turning points as well as the x-intercept.
Okay, now this question here is a continuity of what we've already done. We're supposed to sketch the following graph. Now, to help learners, just show them what we already got from the previous one. We already know what are the coordinates of the turning point.
Yes.
Yeah, just correct it. It's 3 and...
It's 3 and negative 4.
And negative 4, okay. And then we also have 1 and 0. Ne?
Yes.
Now, we already got also the x-intercept from 7.1.2. Ne?
Yes.
Okay, so let's just write everything that we already have. We're going to start with the y-intercept and say y-intercept. We have it as x is 0. Ne?
Yeah.
When x is 0, what is your y?
Our y is 4.
Yeah, it's minus 4.
Minus 4.
Yeah, our y is minus 4. Okay, sure. This is for the y-intercept. And then after that, we're also just going to share it below. And then we can say y-intercept so that we are being specific here. This is the y-int. And then here we're also going to say for x-intercept, we have 1, which goes with 0. Ne?
Yes.
And we also have 3. Is it, what is that one?
It was 4. 4 goes with 0.
4 goes with 0. So these are the x-intercept. Okay, sure. So this is the x-int. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, for you to be able to draw this graph, these are the things that you are going to need. Then the TP, yeah? Turning point.
Yes.
We have our first turning point as
3 and negative 4.
We have 1 and 0. That's the first one.
Yeah.
And then the next one that follows, it's 3, which goes with negative 4. Yeah?
Yes.
So these are our turning points. Now, guys, drawing a graph and then having the intercept, they don't have anything to do with each other most of the time. So what we are going to show you here is how to use your table so that you can get the structure of this thing here. If you're not sure, let's say you've been calculating, you're not sure about your answers, you can take this information and then just put it in your calculator, in your Casio calculator. Let's go to the Casio calculator.
Okay, Casio calculator.
Yeah.
We're going to have mode.
Yeah.
Then you're going to look for table.
Yeah, we're going to look for table.
Then for me, it's on option 7.
Yeah, depending on the price of the calculator.
And then it says f of x. F of x, we're going to do alpha x cubed.
Yeah.
Cubed minus 6 x.
Alpha, okay.
6 alpha x
yeah.
squared plus 9 alpha x minus 4.
Yeah.
By which it's going to say g of x.
Yeah, we don't put anything on g of x, and then we continue.
So equal to, says where should we start?
Yeah, because I already know this graph here, it's up to you where you want to start, guys. And then some of the points that you are going to start on, you don't have to use all of them. So in this case, we can say let's start on minus 2.
Let's start on minus 2.
It's up to you. It's up to you. You can even start on minus 5, depending on the memory of your calculator.
So we're going to end at 5.
Yeah, we can end at positive 5.
Positive 5, yeah. And then step is number 1.
Yeah, we can leave it as 1 step.
And it's going to say negative 2 goes with 50.
Yeah, so we don't have 50 in our graph paper. Can you see that?
Yes.
So we're not going to use that point. Okay, what else do we have?
We have negative 1 goes with negative 20.
Do we have negative 20 on our calculator, on our graph paper?
No.
It's not visible. No? So
Yes.
we're going to also skip that one. What else do we have?
Then we have 0 goes with negative 4.
Okay, let's go and highlight that one to say we have 0 which goes with negative 4. So that one is very important.
0 goes with negative 4. Okay, highlighted.
Okay, next one, we have 1.
Could we checking from the table?
Yeah, from the table. Yeah.
Table we have let me check. We have
Again, after 0,
0.
yeah, 1 goes with 0. Yeah, so you just put a dot there. Yeah.
1
After
goes
that,
with
yeah.
0.
Yeah.
And then
From there you go to 2. What do you have for 2?
let's check on 2. What do we have for 2? Then we have 2 goes with negative 2.
2 goes with negative 2. So you just go and say there's negative 2 and then there's 2 where they meet. You just put a dot there also.
Okay. Dot.
Yeah.
Then again.
Yeah.
Let's check what's next. And then we have 3 goes with -4.
3 goes with -4.
Yeah.
Okay, you also highlight that. Just put a dot there.
Okay, 3 goes with -4.
Okay, next one, what do you have?
Next one we have 4 goes with 0.
4 goes with 0. Okay, you highlight that. You also shade that.
Okay. 4
Okay.
goes with 0.
And then from there onwards, we have 5. Huh?
Let's check. We have 5. 5 is the last one.
It goes with what?
5 goes with 16.
Do we have 16 on our calculator?
No.
On our calculator. We don't have, but here's what it's telling us. It's telling us that we should move upwards. Ne?
Yeah.
It's giving us a direction. Even this one, it was telling us about minus 20. So it was just telling us which we are coming from there. So I'm going to start from the first dot we shaded. Ne?
Okay.
So from the first dot, you start there. Ne?
Yeah.
And then you move always from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. Left towards right. Ne?
Okay.
So you say, okay, I have 0, which goes with minus 4 again.
Yeah.
And then from there, what is the next dot that follows after that? It's 1 again.
It's 1.
Yeah, you go to 1. Not doing a straight line. You're doing a curve, yeah?
Yeah.
And then from 1 here, what does it say? It tells you, guides you this thing. Can you see it again?
That's just this 10.
Yeah, it's 10.
Yes.
So from here, from 1, what is the next dot that we have? The next dot that we have is 2, which goes with
-2.
-2. Yeah, so you go there. Again.
Yeah.
And then from there onwards, you have 3, which goes with -4 again.
Yeah,
You go there. So, and then when you're just following the dots as they follow each other, the next one, you have what?
0 goes with 4.
0 goes with
4 goes with 0, I mean.
Yeah, 4 goes with 0. Okay, you go there. And then you put an arrow to say this thing here is continuing here. Yes. And then even this side here, till now we started at 4, at 0 and -4, but it didn't start there. We're just going to put an arrow to say that it's continuing.
Okay.
Yes. And then, as you remember, guys, we're at the daily dose of mathematics. What we're going to be doing is to play a song. While we're playing the song, we're going to take the following graph and then put it in our senior marker. Now, remember, what does the question ask us, guys? We should be careful of that because we become excited as learners and teachers. Sometimes we forget. They said you should draw the graph again.
Yes.
Clearly show the x-intercept again.
Yes.
So we're going to label them. It's not enough just to draw the graph. You just have to label it. Just have to say, okay, this one here, it's -4.
Okay, it's -4.
Yeah, I can say it's -4 and 0 there, if it's possible. Say 0, which goes with -4.
0 goes with -4.
Yeah, and then you go to 1 and 0.
1 goes with 0.
Yeah, and then we're only including the ones which are important.
Yeah.
The turning points. Okay, the other one, it's 3, which goes with -4.
3 goes with -4.
So, and then the other one, it's the x-intercept. On the x-intercept, even if you just show them, well, this is 4 here, and then it's passing through 4, it's fine.
Yes.
But you can also put it in the coordinate form just to be on the safe side. So you say 4 goes with what? With 0. Now, guys, if you do this, remember, even if you didn't get the x-intercept and the y-intercept, they're also going to give you a mark for the shape. There's a mark for the shape in the marking set. So even if when you can't get the x-intercept and the y-intercept, don't panic. Just use your calculator. If you have a calculator, there's no need for you to lose this precious mark. So let's play the song, Ito. While we're playing the song, put this in the senior marker and see how did it. Fair?
Okay, let us play our song.
Let's drop the beat on how to sketch the graph, lock in the inflection, and master the power of hands. Master the power of hands. Master the power of hands.
Marking breakdown. Step. Work shown. Status. Marks. Shape and orientation. Cubic graph with a positive x cubed coefficient. Starts bottom left, ends top right. Correct 1A. X-intercepts indicated 1, 0, local turning point, and 4, 0. Clearly plotted, labeled. Correct 1A. Turning points indicated 1, 0, and 3, -4. Correctly plotted, labeled. Correct 1A. Y-intercept indicated 0, -4. Correctly plotted, labeled. Correct 1A. Total 4 quarters. Feedback and compliance check. Caps and notation compliance. Your sketch successfully incorporates all key features calculated in the previous sub-questions. The x-intercepts at 1, 0, and 4, 0. The local maximum turning point at 1, 0, and the local minimum turning point at 3, -4. You also correctly plotted the y-intercept at 0, -4, from the original equation f, x, equals x cubed 6x squared plus 9x4. Logical flow. The curve flows smoothly through the critical points with the correct end behavior for a positive cubic function. Labeling coordinates directly next to the key points is standard exam practice and ensures full clarity for the examiner. Coach's summary. What you did well. You accurately translated your analytical findings, intercepts and stationary points, into a clean, well-proportioned graphical sketch, paying careful attention to the correct shape and intercept coordinates. Area for improvement. Excellent execution on this question. Just maintain this level of precision and completeness. Labeling intercepts, turning points, and the y-intercept for all graph sketching questions in your final exam.
See a bonga for pulling through the lesson. Hope you caught that daily dose of magic. Like the video and leave us your thoughts. Your comment counts, tell us what you need. Your comment counts, tell us what you need. Find us on TikTok and Facebook. The daily dose of mathematics is the handle. Hit our WhatsApp for the daily prompts. Get more info on 0664 682 9994. 064 682 9994. Hambaka.